Really, Samsung? We're going to be waiting months for One UI 7 on Galaxy S24 series devices and possibly even longer for the 23s, 22s, and below. That is some news we're getting now that One UI 7, not only will it not be coming kind of around this time that we were expecting it, we were at first expecting it around the time the S25 launched, that there was some stuff coming out that it was going to start rolling out. And then we started hearing word that there was going to be another beta, a beta 4. We still do not have beta 4 at the time of this recording on the Friday, February the 14th. But now we're also hearing that not only are we going to get a beta 4, but we're going to get a beta 5 and a beta 6. 6 total betas for One UI 7 on the Galaxy S24 series before it hits public. That would put it releasing around April, to the end of April. So just to put that into perspective, Google is already on beta 2 of Android 16. Google is going to be rolling Android 16 out in around May to June. So they are going to be pushing Android 16 public to their Pixels all the way down to the Pixel 6 and up before Samsung, or right around the time that Samsung gets Android 15 on last year's flagship. If you have a flagship before that, the S22, the S23, you're going to be waiting even longer, May, June, possibly even a couple months longer. If you have some mid-range devices, you're well past the summer before you're ever going to see this update. We're going to be almost on Android 17 before some of you guys are even getting Android 15 on your Samsung devices. Absolutely ridiculous that it is taking this long for a major company like Samsung to get their skin ready to go and get Android 15 pushed to flagship devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra and all the S25 series devices running One UI 7 just fine. There's a few hiccups here and there, but nothing that stable software doesn't have on most OEMs, Apple, other Android manufacturers, stuff like that. They're all going to have a bug here or there. There's nothing, in my opinion, on Android 15 One UI 7, from my experience running it in beta on beta 1, 2, and 3 on my S24 Ultra, that would prevent Samsung from being able to release it to the public now. Beta 1 was pretty good, beta 2 was better, beta 3 was great. Everybody's saying they're all stable, it's all ready to go, yet Samsung, for some reason, wants to do 3 more betas that are not ready yet and delay this even farther until possibly late April before last year's flagship starts getting this update. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.